This took me like 4 hours to make, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make your own beanie. So first thing you need to do is to measure your head circumference. After measuring your head circumference, my head circumference here is 21. You divide it by 2, which will give us 10.5, and that will be the length of your beanie. Now you start by making a slip knot. And you chain the length of your beanie. Here I've made 46 chain. That is the length of my beanie. And then you skip the first chain, you go through the second chain, and you make a single crochet. So you make a single crochet to the end. This is the end. And then you chain one and you turn your work like this. This is your chain one space, and then you go through the next one, and you are using the side loop only. You make a single crochet, you make a single crochet, you make a single crochet. We are only working with the side loop only, and you do this to the end of it. You chain one again and you turn your work, and you walk through the side loop only. So you are going to be continuing this process back and forth till you get to your desired length. So this is how to know when to stop. Divide 10.5 by 4 and you minus 1/4 of it. This is how to do it with your tape. This is your 10.5. You fold your tape like this and you fold it like this again. This is 10.5 divided by 4. It's giving us here 2 3/4. The place where this stop, where this folding is, we've successfully minus 1/4 out. So we are going to stop when our half of our cap is 7 3/4. So you double your beanie and you measure that length. Here it's giving me 7 3/4. Why we did not do 10.5 is because the cap has the ability to stretch. So now we'll proceed in joining the cap. So after the whole process, you chain one, you place your hook to your side loop and to the loop that is directly facing you, and you make a single crochet. You go to the next side loop and to this one here and you make a single crochet. You go to the next side loop and to the loop facing you here, and you make a single crochet. So you've seen how neat the ribbon is looking. You've seen how neat it looks like the rest here. So that's the goal. So you continue that to the end of this beanie. After you are done, you chain one, cut out the yarn, and then you tie. The next thing you are going to do is to take 2 strands of yarn and you place the yarn on your darning needle. You double it like I've seen in the video. Now you start from here. You place your needle like this. You make sure you don't go too deep so that this place won't be too thick. and we've gotten to the end. So you have to pull tight. That's why I made the strand thick, in order for it to be able to resist any amount of pressure you apply on it. So after you might have pulled tight, you tie it. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. This is how the front side is looking. Look how neat this place is. It took me 4 hours to make mine. How many hours did it take you to make yours? You can drop it in the comment section, and in case you have any question to ask pertaining the beanie, you can do well to drop it in the comment section. And also like this video, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel in order not to miss out on tutorial like this. See you next time. Bye.